What if one breathing experience could do more for your nervous system than months of trying to think positive, or years of searching for the answer to fix what's wrong, or even traveling to partake in plant medicine? Maybe you feel emotionally stuck, or if your body holds stress even when your mind understands it, or if you've tried everything in the past to overcome traumas, fears, phobias, etc., or if you're simply tired of talking about healing grief or your past and ready to actually feel a shift, then NeuroDynamic Breathwork was designed for you. This isn't just deep breathing, this is guided, intentional breathing. And it's a journey that works directly with your nervous system, your subconscious patterns, and your stored emotional energy. During this 2-hour online workshop, your breath becomes the access point, helping you to release emotional blocks, regulate anxiety, and discover inner wisdom, as well as heal yourself and reset your internal state from the inside out. People often experience a deep sense of emotional and often physical release. Sometimes they experience relief from chronic stress and overwhelm. Other things are greater mental clarity and focus, a calmer, more resilient nervous system, and a powerful reconnection to their body and their intuition. Now, this work doesn't require you to analyze, to relive, or to fix anything. Your body already knows how to heal. Breathwork simply gives it permission to do so. So you'll be guided step by step in a safe, supportive online space, allowing your nervous system to let go of what's been holding it captive there, and sometimes even for years. Now, this technique for me has been just as powerful as traveling to do plant medicine, with the added benefit that within a few minutes afterwards, you're completely able to go on about your business, drive a motor vehicle, live the rest of your life having your normal daily activities available to you. So if you are ready to truly release limiting beliefs, find answers from your own innate intelligence on how to reach your goals, how to transform into your goals, to heal from the past, and to discover how to truly let go and leave feeling confident and empowered, as well as free, then join me for this online version of NeuroDynamic Breathwork. Simply follow the link below to sign up. Know that your breath is the key, and all you have to do is show up and breathe. Register now for the NeuroDynamic online workshop by clicking that link below. Spots are limited to keep the experience safe and intimate. So you'll want to click that link below and save your seat, as seats are limited, and give your nervous system the reset that it's been waiting for. The first 5 folks to sign up will also receive a free hypnosis recording on releasing limiting beliefs, valued at $50, to help you prepare for your breathwork experience. And we're also going to, for a very limited time, offer a BOGO sign up. So instead of paying the full price, you and a partner or a friend can sign up so you can experience this together. So I look forward to seeing you, and reach out if you have any questions.